Colton with S&S Auto Supply here, back again with tech tip number 3. Made it 3 Fridays in a row. We're still here, still doing this thing. This time, we're going to keep it simple. You ever have trouble getting one of these off? Trying to remove the valve system just to try and rip off that jar? I'm working here with a Tornador Classic. Again, really troubling to get this jar off, right side up. Can't really get it off. I don't want to bend any of the parts, break any of the parts. Simple fix. Turn the Tornador upside down. I mean, it just comes right off. Once you turn it upside down, all that pressure that was built up from the air connection gets released, and the jar spins right off. So now you know. If you enjoyed this tech tip number 3 to save you from buying more parts for your Tornador tools, then leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hopefully you learned something new. Follow us on here, and as always, if you want to check out anything that we sell to professional detailers throughout the United States, visit our website, snsautosupply.com. See you next Friday.